Today, we are witnessing a fundamental shift in how software is built with the introduction of the Codex app. Instead of the fragmented experience of juggling multiple terminal windows and IDEs, developers now have a single, unified command center to run and supervise AI agents. The interface is designed for clarity, with a project dashboard on the left that tracks every completed and live-running task, while the right side serves as a conversational hub. This isn't just about writing code. It's about delegating real-world engineering work to an intelligent partner that understands your project's context and goals. Imagine you're building an iOS app that tracks the International Space Station. Instead of manually hunting for APIs and writing boilerplate, you can simply speak your mind. By dictating a single sentence, like asking to add a NASA astronomy picture of the day screen, Codex takes over. It identifies the correct APIs, structures the logic, and builds the entire feature while you focus on the bigger picture. This level of autonomy extends to heavy lifting, like migrating dependencies or shifting from WebSockets to WebRTC. These maintenance tasks, which used to take hours of manual labor in a large codebase, now happen seamlessly in the background while you supervise the progress. The development process with Codex remains transparent and collaborative. When an agent completes a task, you can review a detailed diff of the code directly within the app. You have the power to leave inline comments for feedback, ask for another iteration, or merge the changes if they look right. If you need to go deeper, you can jump into Xcode, but the app is powerful enough to run simulators and live previews right there. Whether you're animating progress bars on a web-based fitness tracker or refining a UI, the experience feels less like editing syntax and more like collaborating with a highly capable teammate who reacts to your feedback in real time. What truly sets the Codex app apart is its skills ecosystem. Through integrations like the Figma skill, Codex doesn't just guess what a UI should look like based on a screenshot. It reads the actual underlying structure of your design files. It understands variables, spacing, and styles to generate real code that matches your design system perfectly. You can even turn these skills into background automations to handle tedious work like triaging sentry alerts or linear tickets. By using isolated work trees, Codex ensures that multiple agents can work on the same codebase simultaneously without breaking your local setup. Ultimately, the Codex app is about reclaiming your time, allowing you to spend less time on the how of coding and more time on the what of your creative vision.